What's going on here?
What do you mean? What do you mean what's going on here?
Our clothes. Where are the clothes?
But
You dropped it there.
I don't know, but why are you asking me? We're swimming together.
The clothes are supposed to be here, so I don't know.
Baby, please. Huh? Please, I don't want you to get upset over what happened there.
No, don't tell me that. Who could have taken our clothes?
But I don't know. I've told you before, don't worry about the clothes, alright? Let's just look for a nearby boutique. I'll get you new clothes.
Are you kidding me? Get to a boutique dressed like this?
Baby, can you just cool down? Let me think. I mean, we can't possibly be like this. Just let me think.
Okay.
Yeah, hello, Charles. Yeah, what's up? Please, I need you to do me a favor. You're not in town? Alright, no problem. I'll just call you back.
You see? So what next?
Baby, let's just leave here. Let's just... Okay. What's again? What's happened?
Did armed robbers attack you people? Okay, did armed robbers attack you people?
What could have happened?
How can you ask me? How would I know? Did I go swimming with them?
Hey.
Because I don't know what happened. I wonder what could have happened. Oga running in half naked, followed by a woman half naked, with her bum. Oga, you will never change.
Alright, baby, so I'll call you.
Want to drop me at home?
Oh, come on, baby. I told you I wanted to see a match. Oh, please.
This is not fair. This is what you did the last time.
Baby, huh? Trust me when I say I'll make it up to you. Do me a favor, huh? Just go home. Huh?
Hey, you dirty dog. Who are you and what are you doing here?
Excuse me.
Come back here. I'm talking to you. I said, what are you doing in your house? Leave me alone. You don't want me to kill him. What are you doing here? Let go of me. Don't touch me.
Look at her.
Dirty, stupid, smelling thing. Don't you dare lay your filthy, stinking hands on me. France! France! Enough of this madness. I won't take this anymore. Hey, baby, listen. I know you're a womanizer. If you need to mess around with all those dirty, creepy things, take them elsewhere, not in this house. You have to accord me some respect.
Do you understand that you are yelling at me in my own house? You are not my wife.
But I'm your fiancé.
My girlfriend. get that into your thick skull.
Hello.
You again? Oh my God. So it was you.
Yes, I'm that bad. Stay away from my boyfriend.
You're wicked.
I could be worse. Do you want?
Papa! Come on, sir. Open the gate. Sir, please, excuse me, sir. Sir. Come on, sir. Please,
What
sir.
is it?
Please, sir. I don't know if you can pay me for this month.
Papa,
Sir.
today is 15th. What are you talking about?
Sir, I know today is 15th, but I have not paid my landlord and he's threatening to send me parking. Please help me, please. Please.
Papa, I will pay you your salary when it's month end. Please open the gate.
Open!
Where is your father?
My father. Good morning, sir.
I said, where is your father?
He has gone to work.
Work?
Yes.
Tell him that he's packing out of this house. If I don't get my money this week.
Oh, Galano, please calm down, okay? Calm down. You know, things are hard. We will pay you very soon, please.
When?
Very, very, very soon, please. Oh, you know my father is a security man. It's not easy to make money, Biko. We'll pay you very soon.
Tell him that if I don't get my money this weekend, I will throw him out of the house.
Please, Galano, please now. Understand with us. You know my father is just a security man, please. Thank you. Hi. Papa, he's in there now, please.
Okay.
There is fire on the mountain, oh.
Nana, what's the problem?
There is fire on the mountain. The landlord came to the house today and was shouting. He threatened that he's going to throw us out of the house by the weekend if we don't pay our rent.
Oh, God.
Eh?
But I've told him I've not been paid.
He doesn't want to hear that. He really meant it though. He was shouting. People were trying to calm him down. He refused. He said if we don't pay our rent by the weekend, he's throwing us out of the house, Papa.
Nana, don't worry. My Oga said you pay me today. I'm sure you pay me today.
Are you sure?
Very sure you will pay. What did you cook for me?
Papa, I've not made any food yet. The whole thing was just scattering my head. But don't worry. I'll cook the remaining beans this evening for you.
Don't just worry. I will get my money today. As soon as I get my money, I will pay the landlord. Then I give money to buy more food in the house.
You needed to see the embarrassment today.
Don't worry,
but
Nina.
it is well. Make sure you pay.
Oh, my life is hopeless. Oh, my life, it's so miserable.
Look at that fine girl.
France, are you tired of this?
Tired of what?
Must you go under the sheet with every pretty lady you set your eyes on?
What are you talking about, man? Just look at me. I'm cute. I got the swag. I got the cheese. I got everything every young girl wants. Allow me enjoy all this fine girls. Huh? Francis is too much for one girl.
You have to take it easy, bro. Take it easy.
Oh, look at who is talking. Now tell me that you have not been admiring that girl.
But at least I didn't go home with anyone yesterday. You know that.
Please, spare me that. You know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna pick up my drink and I am going to talk to that girl. Sorry to barge in on you like that. Are you waiting for somebody?
Not really.
Oh, okay. My name is Francis. What's your name?
I'm Tonya.
Tonya?
Yeah.
Oh, Tonya, you're beautiful. I don't know. I don't even know what to say, but trust me when I say you are beautiful.
Thank you.
So, if you're not doing much tonight, can we hang out probably after here? Step out to some night?
Welcome, sir. I'm not ready to talk.
Oh, what do I do now? I will like a landlord. Chim. Oh. What will I do now? Chimo, how will I get to pay this money to landlord? Oh.
Oh my God. What are you doing here?
I'm sorry, I came to tidy the room.
You came to tidy the room? What about the sitting room? What about the kitchen? What about the stairs? Every other place?
I've done all those places, sir. I've even washed your clothes.
So what are you doing here? Why can't you just wait?
Can I go home, sir?
Go to hell. Go. Lock my door.
Okay, sir.
Lock the door.
Never spend a day without a woman. Morning, afternoon, night. A different woman.
Baby, you are something else. I believe this will take care of anything you want to buy. I'll take you to the mall tomorrow so that you can shop for anything that you desire.
Thank you.
Now tell me how much you love me.
You know what? You're so sweet. I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So,
Hey, yes.
What?
Who are you?
Don't be silly.
I said, who are you and what are you doing here?
See, if you're here to get laid, go in there and enjoy it. And don't be silly.
Franz, where are you? Excuse me, stop it.
come on, what is wrong with you?
You've not answered my question. Did you sleep with that girl?
What kind of stupid question is that?
You heard me. I need to know if you slept with that dirty girl. Yes.
Look, baby, if you're not in the mood, if you don't want to get down with me, just let me know.
No. Did you sleep with her? Because I wouldn't want you to infect me. Yes.
Just get out.
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry.
Get out!
I'm sorry. You know I love you so much and I wouldn't want to share you with any woman. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I missed you. You know I love you so much, baby. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Papa!
Okay,
Papa, he has come.
Who has come?
The landlord, though. The landlord, he came with his boys and they're throwing our things out of
Hey!
the house. They're throwing our things out of the house, Papa. Hey, Oga landlord, please. Hey, please now, please. Hey, Oga landlord, please don't do this. Please don't go with the bag, I beg you. Please.
Come on, landlord.
Hey, Oga landlord, please, I beg you.
No. Come, lock the
Please
door.
now, please bring the bag, bring the bag.
Come on, lock this door.
Bring the bag. Oga landlord, Oga landlord, I beg you. Oga landlord, please.
Leave me alone. Don't look at
Hey, no, please.
Okay, landlord.
No. Not. Please leave me. I beg. No, please. No.
Okay, wake up. Wake up, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. What are these bags doing here?
Okay, there's a problem. My landlord finally sent us packing. That's why we come here.
Papa, what is wrong with you? Didn't I pay you for last month? What did you do with the money?
Oga had a lot to do with money.
Alright, come inside. Let me give you the money. I don't want it to look like I'm the reason for this nonsense.
Oga, you don't dey late now. Don't drive us more for house now.
So what do you want me to do?
Oga, beg. I want me to do me small favor. They beg you, Oga, beg. I want to make a give me this room where my people they stay here. But I'll get money. We'll go rent house. So pack a motor. Beg, Oga, beg. Oga, beg. I dey beg you.
Is that all?
Yes, Oga.
Very well then.
feel free to accommodate that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. God bless you.
Papa! Papa!
Good morning, sir.
Did you clean this car?
No clean motor. No clean car.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Did you clean my car?
Yes, sir. I did.
I see. Open the gate.
Why was he behaving like that?
I don't know.
Is he angry?
I don't know. You know if you predict a girl. The later you see a girl, they happy. If you predict a more, I want to see a woman.
Well, I've not done bad by cleaning his car.
I don't know. I know that we'll talk.
It's alright, let me go inside. Welcome, ma.
Who are you?
Good morning.
I said, who are you?
My name is Nena. Yes.
What are you doing here?
I'm sweeping the compound.
Are you this retarded? Who brought you to this place?
I am Oga Joe's daughter, the security man.
And so?
I'm helping my father to sweep the compound.
Ben.
Baby! Does she live here now?
Have you come to ask me questions or have you come to see your man? Please, come in. Hi. Come here.
See the feast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. See the feast. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Life is a teacher. Life grace and mercy. What goes around, comes around.
Ma! Sorry. I was very busy, sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Take this money, go down the street and get me some detergents. I need to wash for my man.
Alright, ma, but please, you have to exercise a little patience. I have food on the fire. When I'm done with that, I'll get you the detergent.
Hey, come back here! Who asked you to leave? I told you what to do. And here you are telling me what you want to do. Are you obeying my orders or giving me orders? I asked you to go get me detergent and here you are telling me you want to get done with making food before. Are you mad? Are you silly?
Ma, I am not mad. Neither am I silly. I only said I was going to finish up with what I'm doing.
You said what? What? Are you nuts? How dare you talk?
Why are you crying?
It's nothing.
But you're crying. See me, it's nothing. Hey. Stop crying.
I just remembered my sick mother.
Oh, it's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying, Biko. Have you stopped? Stop crying. Stop crying. I want to thank you for helping me sweep the compound the other day.
It's alright. It's alright.
Thank you. You're still crying. If you keep crying, it will make me cry too. And when two of us will start crying, it won't be nice.
Don't cry.
Then stop crying. Stop, Ugo.
Stop.
Clean your tears, oh, my own is coming. Let's stop crying, oh?
Charles, if you see the girl that left my house 2 days ago, my brother, she is wow.
Bro, can we stop talking about this? I mean, can we stop talking about girls each time we are together? Boys are making money. They are making money through cryptocurrency. And we are here talking about girls all the time. I don't like it.
Look at you, Charles. You're talking to me. What is all this holier-than-thou attitude? Is it because I don't want to talk about the 2 girls you had at the back of your car the other day? 2 girls. Please.
You're not serious.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Meat is ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This tastes great.
Are you serious? Thank you so much. And France has never told me that I'm a good cook. He has never done that.
Come on, baby. This is just meat. Everybody can fry meat.
But I can make a very sweet meal. But unfortunately for me, I don't have a car. I need a car so I can go to the market and get some fresh stuffs for a delicious meal.
Are we talking about her now?
That's the only thing you've ever promised that you've refused to feel. Baby. Please. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Hey. Charles.
I'm sorry now. Your friend is here. Oh.
I'm going to slap you.
You're embarrassing us.
I will slap you. And what are you doing there?
Sir, I'm helping Auntie Edith to...
Oh, please get your filthy self out of that place now. Get out! Get out! Babe.
Yeah, baby.
Oh my God.
Baby. Aren't you forgetting something?
I know what I'm forgetting.
Hey, stop. You promised to get me a car this week.
Baby, the week is not yet over.
But today is Friday.
I will get you your car.
When? Today? Tomorrow?
What is this obsession about you and this car thing, huh? You should be more concerned about getting a job.
Did you just say that I'm obsessed about a car? Baby, come off it. My last birthday, you promised to get me a car. You never did. Ever since then, you've been telling me next week, next week, next week. Listen, my guy, if you don't want to get this car for me, let me know. Perhaps you don't have the money. Baby, I need a car. Jumping taxi, oh my God. After sleeping, jumping taxi everywhere. I need a car. That's crazy. I need a car. For these excuses. Hey! 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 I'm talking to you. Come here.
Point of correction. My name is not Hey. My name is Nena.
Who cares? I don't give a hoot if your name is dog, lizard, donkey, or monkey. That's not why I'm here. Listen, I want you to do something for me. I learned that different kind of stupid girls do come here to visit my man, and I want to put an end to that. I want you to call me each time another girl comes visiting. I need to know. So, do you have a phone?
Excuse me?
You heard me right. I don't. At your age, you don't have a phone. What do I even expect? Well, that's by the way, but at least you can write. Can you write? I'm asking you, can you write?
Of course I can.
Fine. Write their names down and their numbers. And when I come to this place, you submit it to me. Is that understood? Get out and open the gate for me. You heard me. Immediately.
Hi.
Charles, are you still here?
Come into the car, let me drop you off.
What?
You're beautiful.
I'm your friend's girlfriend.
Thank God you're not his wife.
What are you trying to say?
Aren't you charming?
You're beginning to make me uncomfortable.
I wish France would take you as seriously as you take him.
I know he cheats on me, but
But you would have been pretty if you're his number one.
does he have a number one girlfriend?
You're not a kid. Why is it taking him so long to get to the car he promised you since last year? Come on, you need to wake up.
What am I supposed to do?
I'll get you a new car. Name any country of your choice. I'll foot the bills.
Are you trying to set me up with something? I feel guilty. Yes.
You and I knows he's with a girl out there. Or you don't like me? I know you've been admiring me for a long time. So calm down. Calm down, let me take care of you. Calm down. Let me take care of you. Alright. I'll wire some money to your account later, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
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 Alright.
So you also cheat on France?
Excuse me? He only took me out for lunch.
And the lunch ended on his bed.
I don't understand. Who are you?
I'm a hunter like you. So you live here? Good. See you later.
So you see, I told you that our money was not a waste. Can you see?
I know, but he should have passed that ball to me.
No. Take the shot.
Please, I need to know where this relationship is taking us to.
Oh, come on, babe. What is wrong with you? You're beginning to sound sarcastical.
Yes, that's because you're beginning to treat me like I don't matter. I need to know where this relationship is taking us to right now. That's why I'm here.
Baby, as you can see, we are watching football.
I don't understand. Like I'm saying bullshit? Like I'm not making sense to you?
Pass the ball.
Who's that? Hey. Please, if you know what is good for you, do not go inside.
What are you talking about?
That harsh auntie, the main Oga Fran's girlfriend, she's inside there. I know she's very harsh. I don't want her to be rude to you.
Don't worry. Thank you.
Why are you silent?
Hello, baby.
Why didn't you tell me you were coming?
But I'm here now, darling. How you doing?
I'm fine. Just go upstairs, wait for me in the bedroom. I will join you soon. I'm just seeing him much.
I'll do just that.
Hey! Stop! Where do you think you're going to?
And who wants to know? You? Excuse me.
You know what? I hate you with so much passion.
Look, I never invited her. I never knew she was coming.
Come on. You shouldn't have let her into the bedroom. You just insulted Belly.
Please. Spare me that. Look, right now, I'll just have to go finish up that match in my bedroom. I'll see you later.
Well, it's so good. I'll take my leave now.
Seed of lust, seed of lust, seed of lust, oh yeah. Life is a teacher, life is a history, life is a lesson. What goes on?
Did you see that? I told you.
It's so sad and I'm worried. What if she tells him about us?
Can you just calm down, okay?
I can't. I don't want him to see me as a cheat.
What do you want?
Excuse you? What did you just call me? A cheat?
I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry for yourself. Excuse me.
Can you calm down? Let me talk to you. Okay? Come.
think I'm here to beg you? I'm not going to beg you. I do get what I want at any time. Why the dull face? What does that mean?
Look, I hate fake people. I don't want to have anything to do with dishonest people.
What is it?
Belly thinks I'm stupid. She probably loves me because of my money.
Why will you say that?
She's been misbehaving of late. She acts up, she does things she's not supposed to do, she talks to me anyhow, simply because I did not buy her the car she asked for.
She's just a woman, you know that.
Alright, that's not the reason I called you here. There is this business I was thinking you could be interested in importation of oil. Are you interested?
From which country?
Does it matter the country? Are you interested?
I'm France. I am not interested. I want something more lucrative.
And what is more lucrative?
I'm just not interested in this kind of business. Thank you.
Glass.
The sun is so high.
Very, very harsh. Terrible.
You know, this our Oga. I don't understand him. He can never spend the night without a woman.
I just hope he doesn't get infected.
Oh, that's what I've been praying. I've been praying against it. But I mustn't fail to thank you. Since you came into this compound, you have been of immense help. My God will bless you for me.
Amen. It's alright. Bless you too.
You know he's a womanizer, and you still want me to seduce him.
Are you a fool? Onema. Wait, let me finish talking before you start complaining.
Okay, I'm listening.
Maybe I'm... This is what I want you to do. I want you to entice the man. Yes. He's rich. And he loves giving young girls money. So it will not be different where you are. Grab his money. We need it. We will change our condition. Yes. See, I am tired of working for that man and not being paid. I'm wasting my life there. I'm doing so much for him. Yet he doesn't appreciate.
I wonder how we're going to do this without him noticing who I am. I wonder.
Relax, my dear daughter. Before you, I was.
Okay.
And inside that compound, I have been. Listen, nobody there knows who you are. So when you step in, nobody would know what is going on. Yes. And you wait your bude. So that is not a problem. We will handle that. We will cross that bridge when we get there.
I know what to do.
Tell me.
We will get more than that money.
Now you're talking.
I'm sure once he sees me, he will like me.
Yes.
Don't worry, Mama. All I need to do is just to touch up myself.
Touch up.
Buy some sexy clothes. Or even borrow self. No, I will borrow some sexy clothes.
Go to Okerika and buy some.
Revealing dresses that will show my boobs. Mama, I just have to be classy. And he's going to like me. Bam! Obago. Don't worry.
And you know your boobs are... Aye!
That is not a problem. Mom, we will go there and grab whatever we can grab.
Everything.
If he needs to sell the house just to maintain you, so but we will get what we're looking for. But before then, we need to start practicing. I want to see how you're going to walk.
Abi?
Yes, walk into that compound.
Don't worry now, let me show you.
Go back.
Mama now.
No. That one looks like a pigeon and I choose.
Oh, yeah,
no. Now stand straight. Head high. Face forward. No, not too high. Really good. Push it out. Ebiano. Push it out. Back side. Go, Ebia. No, not too much, so you can walk well. Do the catwalk, like you're walking on a straight line. But you swing your hips gently.
Like I'm catwalking?
Yes.
Like a model?
Ebiano. Swing the hips gently in a sexy manner. Sexy lady walking down the street. See, from now on you will be practicing. We will nail that man.
Mama, don't worry. He has entered. Please, I'm looking for one Chief Leonard's house.
Chief Leonard?
Yes.
I'm new in this street. I don't know anybody. I hope there's no problem.
I'm stranded right now.
Hey, yeah. Chai, I wish I could help, my dear, but I do not know him. Huh? Sorry.
Thank you. Gosh. Can't believe I'm standing under this hot sun waiting for this humanizer. What are you doing here?
You told me you will bring back the car by 11 o'clock. Now this is past 2. Kefanamezi.
I promised to bring back your car. So go. I'll see you later.
I don't want stories.
Please, just go. Go now. Just go. What are you even doing around this area self? See where I'm standing under the sun.
Hey, pretty. What is a beautiful girl like you doing under the sun?
I'm waiting for somebody.
I live a few blocks away from here, okay? If you don't mind, you could just come in for a few drinks, cold drink.
No, I'll wait.
Now, let me say something to you. It's gonna be very wrong for you to stay here. Everybody's looking at you. You're too beautiful to be on the road, huh? I stay a few blocks away from here, trust me. The sun is not good for your complexion, you know it, huh? Just come with me, take a few drinks. Once the person you're looking for calls, then you go on. I won't stop you, trust me.
Okay, I think that's not a bad idea.
Alright, just drive behind me.
Okay. Thank you.
See the feast. Ooh. Ooh. See the feast. Ooh. Ooh. Life is a teacher. Life is a lesson. What goes around, ooh yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't have no money.
Please, fast, open the gate for him. Man is too troublesome. Hurry up. You know this man. Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
How are you? Hopefully good. I want you to go upstairs to my bedroom and clean it up.
Your bedroom?
Yes, my bedroom.
I have cleaned it. I cleaned it in the morning.
Go upstairs and clean it again.
I cleaned it in the morning.
Clean it again.
But okay, it's
Clean it again.
Okay, sir.
Go.
Okay.
Hello, baby. So, how you like my house?
I will.
Can you see my home? Are you still doing this?
I'm almost done, sir.
Alright, that's enough. You're done here. I said that's enough. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Good night. Good night.
Do you know that some girls are very foolish? Very shameless.
Why do you say that?
That girl that came in with Oga France.
Yes.
She's the most shameless girl I've ever met in my life.
What do you mean by that?
She stood out there all morning, pretending to be looking for one Mr. Leonard, or whatever she might have called it. I never knew she was actually expecting my Oga to notice her and bring her in. Look at the way she just foolishly followed him, just like that.
It's my daughter. Girls of these days are so lazy. They just want to sit down idle without doing anything.
It's so annoying.
They expect money to fall from heaven.
Auntie, I will never allow any man to take advantage of me because of money. No matter how much he thinks he has. Never.
But then I don't understand Oga Francis. Eh? He just takes advantage of these young girls just because he's rich.
I don't understand myself.
It's terrible, oh.
Who is the cook?
Miss, there's no cook in this house.
Okay, I want you to go inside and prepare something for me.
No, what I mean is there's no cook, nobody to cook food.
And I want you to go inside and prepare something for me to eat.
I am the cleaner in the house.
Will you shut up?
How can you say that? Don't you have respect? How can you tell a woman that is old enough to be your mother to shut up?
And who are you to speak?
And what is going on here?
Okay. I told Miss that we don't have a cook in the house.
Go into the kitchen and make us something to eat.
Okay, sir.
And hurry up, yeah?
Yeah. This man says. What kind of nonsense is this? This man is so annoying. Look at.
Can you imagine this Oga? This Oga Francis has no respect for him at all. See the way he was even talking to me. Well, you go in there and get us something to eat. Baby, you go.
Rubbish is this? There's too much pepper in this food.
Sorry, miss. I just sprinkled small pepper on you.
What kind of a cook are you? Hey.
Sorry.
Baby, it's okay.
Come on, please take this rubbish out of here.
Baby, please. It's okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. You can go. Let's just go.
That woman is too lazy.
Hey.
I'm so sorry.
The way you shouted at me, I was so scared. I started asking myself, is this my daughter?
Even after everything, do you know my voice was shaking?
Are you serious?
Hey.
Mananem, you're a good actress. You should join Nollywood. I'm sure you will become a star.
Anna, that guy is in money. I told you. Mama, guess how much he gave me.
How much did he give you?
Guess now, guess.
20,000 naira.
20 guinea.
Is it too much?
Mama, what are you talking about? Mama, I am talking about 200,000 naira. Mama, he gave me 200,000 naira.
200,000 naira! Oh my God.
Mama, that is not all.
What else?
He also promised to buy me an iPhone.
Chai! iPhone?
iPhone.
Wait. Isn't that expensive phone?
The latest one, Mama!
How much?
600,000
naira. 600,000 naira. When you get a call, how would you on that phone? How would you answer it? Will you say hello or will you say hi phone?
Hello.
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 Hello. Hey! Hello.
Hello.
Then you will give me your old phone.
No problem.
You need to hold on to this man. Hold on like Aradite.
I am not letting go of him.
Because
I am going to hold him so.
Jisienike no gaso anyuso. Nem. Jisienike no gaso anyuso. Nem. Jisienike no gaso anyuso.
Hi, 200,000.
Mama, let me see now.
Baby, we need to talk.
I'm off to work.
Please. I know you're still very mad at me. Can I go inside and wait for you?
No.
Oh, baby, listen. I know you're very mad at me. I know you're not happy with me. But I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, darling. I've missed you so much. Please. Please, baby, forgive me, please. I've missed you. I've missed everything about you. I'm sorry. Please. You didn't miss me?
You know what? It's okay. I forgive you.
Are you serious? Thank you! I love you. I love you so much, my man. So, can I go to the office with you?
No. Look, baby, you have to understand. Today's Monday. I have a lot to do at the office. You can join me later if you feel like. I'll see you later. Can I go now? Thank you. Baby, so you're not coming home with me?
It's clear. I won't get under your shade till you get me the car you promised me and a trip to Dubai.
A trip to Dubai?
An expensive trip to Dubai.
Come on, baby. Can you just stop this joke?
No, that's the condition for the delay.
Can you stop this joke? Can you stop this right now?
Friends, I'll be in your house tomorrow. And after that, if you don't fulfill your promise, I'll walk away from this relationship.
Oga? Oga Francis? Oga, what is wrong with you? Is it malaria? I must have been under my salary stew. Oga? Oga?
Auntie Edith. Auntie Edith, you've seen him, yeah? He looks very terrible. Maybe we should take him to the hospital. Eh? Auntie Edith, you're not saying anything. Auntie Edith!
What do you want me to say?
Hey, you don't buy my idea. Guy is sick, oh. Sir, please, you should have some water. It will help you. Sir, please get up and take some water. Oga? Oga? I will keep it here. Maybe you might need it, sir. Good afternoon.
Where's France?
He's very sick. Very sick.
I didn't ask you if he's sick. I asked where is he?
He is upstairs in his room.
Hey, baby. Did you miss me? Babe. Baby, why are you so cold on me? Talk to me, baby.
Baby, please, can you take me to the doctor? Please.
Doctor, I don't understand. Why should I take you to the doctor? Is it because of the iPhone? Okay, fine. Don't worry. You can get me the iPhone later. Huh? So cheer up, baby. I miss you, baby. Talk to me now. Baby. Baby. Boo boo. Baby. Sweet baby pie.
No, what is it? What are you saying? I want you to stop seeing this man.
And why should I?
He's not good enough for you. Listen, I know I started all this, but I think we have to call it quits.
Mama, I don't understand you, but I am yet to get the iPhone you promised me. Moreover, I haven't even paid for the car I hired.
I don't care. Just forget the iPhone and forget the cab fare. And just walk, please.
I don't think it will be possible. What are you saying?
What do you mean you don't think it will be possible? Your mother is talking to you and you're here arguing. I won't take it from you. Leave that man and move on.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is you are not preparing any food for you. I will not prepare any food for you. You understand what I'm saying? If you're hungry, you go and prepare food for yourself. What kind of rubbish is that?
A young girl like you can't cook.
Rubbish.
Rubbish to you too. Nonsense. Can you imagine this young girl? She expects me to cook food for her. As old as she is, she can't prepare anything for herself. I won't take it from anybody. Let's walk back. I need to clean the, besides the gates. Okay. Let me find the broom.
What is really going on in this house?
You're not saying anything. What is happening to you? What is it?
Charles, I am finished. I am finished.
What is going on? Did you contact STD?
That couldn't have been the worst hell.
So what is this worst hell?
As I speak to you now, I have nothing.
I don't understand.
Okay. You remember the foil I told you about? I wanted to import, right?
Yes. The very one you already sent money to China for.
Good. That container has been hijacked.
You're kidding me, right? Huh?
Charles, I am telling you that 2 40-feet fully loaded container filled with foil has been hijacked.
Mama, see, I need that iPhone. Moreover, I need money to pay Jay for his car.
Hey, you're not going anywhere. I don't want you to get infected.
What is this one now? Mama, see, I no be small pikin. I'm an adult. I know how to take care of myself.
It's your poo.
Yes.
You no be small pikin. But when the sickness will come, now here you go land. And you'll expect me to take care of you. You're not going anywhere.
Mama, please, I beg. I say, as if I bring the money now, you no go happy.
I not say go die because you won't bring money.
You need to be jumping up.
No, for what? When you dey sick?
Mama, please.
Money no dey cure sickness too.
Take a chill pill, yeah? I'm coming.
I'm coming back. Make I tell you, pikin when not they listen to him, mama. Hey, waiting to see, make he carry you.
Mama, take a chill pill. I'll be right back.
No, yeah? Now for your own chill pill go day. Go see
you, mama.
Go. iPhone. iPhone. iPhone will put girls in trouble, oh.
Hi, baby boo. Baby, darling, kitty,
Baby, why are you still feeling this way?
Baby, please, can you help me make noodles so that I can take my drugs, please?
I don't understand. Onto waiting. As in, onto which level? Say I resemble your cook. Make me go cook Indomie for use. I don't understand. Why you never even fulfill what you even promise me? I beg, just pack well.
Yes, it's me. What is it, baby?
Good.
What is it? What is wrong with you?
Baby, I am dying.
What could be killing you?
Baby, I am ruined. I am doomed. As I speak to you now, I have nothing. Do you know that container I told you that I imported?
Yes.
It was hijacked. As I speak to you, I have nothing. I have nothing.
France, what kind of story is this? What kind of story is this? You see what your wickedness has cost? If you had gotten a car for me, ever since you've been promising to get me a car, you won't be here telling me this nonsense story. You know what? I'm leaving you for good. Hey!
You cannot be talking about car now, eh? I need you.
In your dream, you can say that to your numerous girlfriends that you sleep around with. I'm out of here. Enjoy your latest condition.
Daddy, you're my
Hey, don't call my name.
Daddy, you're my number one. You are my number one. Nelly, you are my number one.
Where is my money?
Jay, I'll bring your money for you now, please.
Where is my money?
Jay, trust me, I'll bring it for you.
Car keys.
Eh?
Car keys.
Jay. My shoes. Jay, please now. Jay, why are you doing this to me? It's me. Jay, please now. Please leave my shoe for me.
I will still come back for my money.
Jay, please now.
I want to my car.
Jay, you're embarrassing me.
I brought money.
Jay, it's me,
love. Why here?
Jay.
Idiot, love and dollar.
Jay.
Jay, why are you doing me like this? Jay! Jay! Jay, please!
Please.
Jay, please now! This guy is wicked. Look, see how this guy take for your hand. I won't tell anybody the word. Jay!
Alright. Come.
You are mocking me, aren't you?
Meet me at the bar.
Can I ride with you?
I said meet me at the bar.
Is a teacher, life is a lesson. What goes around, ooh yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. When you don't have no money, your lovers will run away from you, thinking you are nobody. It's hard to see true love. It's hard to find true love. It's hard to see true love without no money. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Money, no love. All the fine, fine girls come around.
I'm the one that needs an apology.
Listen. If you don't want to apologize to me, then you leave.
I'm sorry.
I will forgive you on my bed. You're so beautiful.
Oh, baby. Food is ready. I made fried rice and chicken for you.
Oh. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I need something to drink.
Oh, my bad. Let me quickly get it.
Alright.
Jesus, sorry.
And what is the meaning of this? Eh?
Just to get me a glass of juice, you're messing things around as if you're a kid.
I'm sorry, baby.
Sorry, my food. Take this. Enjoy.
Baby, I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional.
I don't need this, please. You can continue eating it.
Baby, I'm sorry. I can get another food for you, please. It was just an accident. It wasn't intentional. Please, I'm sorry. Baby, please now. Okay, fine. I can go get another food for you. I'm so sorry. Please. Baby. Baby, are you still angry with me?
Not really, I'm fine.
But you're acting like I'm a stranger. I'm sorry, it was just an accident. Please. Sorry. I'm sorry. I leave your phone and talk to me. I'm sorry.
I know what you want. I know what you want. Bro, you don't have to be thinking all day. It will worsen your health condition. Okay. Freshen up. Freshen up, let's go and hang out. Let's look for a place to take some drinks. You won't understand. I don't know time. Don't worry yourself. I will foot the bills. Okay? Go and freshen up, let's go and go. Baba, freshen up now, let's go out. Eh? I'm a poverty not with you. Now this small thing I got the bar. Freshen up, don't worry yourself, everything will be fine.
Oga Francis has contracted it.
Contracted what?
Are you the only one without eyes here? He has contracted HIV.
Jesus Christ! Auntie Edith! How can you say such a thing? The poor man is only suffering from depression.
Why are you calling him a poor man? And why are you calling Jesus Christ? When he was pure laying, did he call Jesus Christ? And you're feeling sorry for him. What are you talking about depression? This is HIV, full blown.
I don't know about that, Mama.
That's not... I just need you to go in there and get me my bag.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you in this one. Auntie, I will not go in there and get any bag for you. If you want your bag, go inside and get it. Besides, you started working here before me. So why should I go in and get your bag for you?
Well, you see, the reason why I don't want to go in there is because I just resigned.
You just resigned? If you have resigned and you want to leave your job, why don't you go inside and make it very official for your boss to know that you're no longer working with him? Because for me to go in there and get your bag, no, I won't.
So you will not help me get my bag? And I will not go inside there.
So you rather leave your bag?
After all, there's really not much inside the bag. Inside the small Ghana must go bag, I have 2 spare uniforms, a pair of old slippers that I left. That's my colored bra. But the hooks have gone off, so I can leave it behind. Yes, and that pants there, I don't wear it anymore. So there's really... I can leave it and go.
Obviously.
You can, if you want to use it later, it's your business. God,
we're not the same size, so I can't use it.
It's okay. They were tight before. You can be your size. Take care of your father.
Oh, thank you. You're running away. I'm the one that is going to go in and get your bag for you.
Yeah, I tried calling your number this morning to switch that. Alright, no problem. I'll call you back. Alright.
Hi. Good morning, sir.
Morning, Nina. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you this morning?
As you can see, I'm getting better.
We thank God.
Yeah.
And sir, would you want me to prepare anything for you?
Not at all. I'm fine. But when I'm hungry, I'll let you know.
All right, sir.
All right. Nina, please. Come close. Yeah, just come close, please. Close. Yeah, thank you. Honestly, I don't know what to say, but I want to say a very big thank you. Everything that you did for me, everything you ever did for me.
It's all right, sir. Thank God. There's no problem.
Alright,
Sir, I want to ask you a question. Do not be offended.
I'm listening.
Sir, do you pray at all?
Praise. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I prayed.
Sir, please. I want you to form the habit of praying always. Prayer is very paramount in our lives. Sir, do you know that God can restore all your glory if only you can acknowledge Him as your God? Take Him back as your Lord and personal Savior. And you won't have problems anymore.
You just sounded like a pastor. Honestly, no one has ever advised me like you did. No one has ever spoken to me like this in a very long time. I'll do something about it.
Please, sir. It's very important. Very, very important.
Thank you. Where is Edith?
Well, I haven't seen her in a while now. It's been long. She came to the house.
Okay. Your dad, he's not back from the village?
Not yet.
Okay. You may go.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too.
It's like a dream to me. It's like a dream to me.
Praise.
If I known I could have stayed in one place. Now I've lost everything on my side.
You are the Lord.
Because of things of the world. Because of things of the world.
And you healed my disease. You are the Lord, my healer. You are the Lord. Hey. I'm sorry, sir. Would you want me to do anything for you?
No. I just want you to sit down and let me watch you wash.
Sam, please let me go and make your food. Okay. Sorry. I don't mean to startle you. But don't you think you should take a walk? Go to one of those beautiful places in town where you can sit down and cool your head. Being moody like this wouldn't help your situation. Okay?
Thank you.
I brought your clothes.
Just help me keep them in my bedroom.
Okay, sir. Hi, Oga. Oga, good afternoon. I brought your clothes.
How old are you?
Eh?
I said, how old are you?
I'm 24.
24. You look 28 to me. You are 24. Said, come here.
Let go!
What is going on here? What is going on here?
What does it look like we're doing? Excuse me.
Charles.
Come here.
Charles. Even you? My best friend.
Franz, let us be. You can't take care of me. You're not capable of paying my bills. He's doing what you couldn't do, so allow us to have fun.
Come on, baby. Baby, I used to take care of you.
What about now? What about now? You were supposed to get me a car, you didn't. I told you that I needed money so I can travel to Dubai for an expensive trip. You declined. Money to change my hair? No. Money to buy my cream? No. What do you expect me to do? Do you want me to kill myself for you? That's not possible. Please. As you can see, I'm here with my baby. And we're happy. And we are having fun. Baby, stop. So, just let me be, okay? Let me be. I can't kill myself for you.
Babe, because things turned around for me. It's like the only shoulders you will lean on is my friend, my best friend.
Franz, you are broke. Accept it. Please, allow me to enjoy my life. Allow me to live my life the way I want it. With my man. My boyfriend who can take care of me and pay my bills. I love you.
Okay, it's alright, Charles. Have fun. One thing I promise you. One thing I promise.
France, you know what? You won't do anything to him. Because he's nice. He loves me. He can take care of me. He treats me like a woman.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I hope everything is all right.
Can you imagine Charles?
Sir, Sir, please, do not be offended. I just thought I should remind you that you have had a problem. This alcohol is not good for you at all. It is not, sir. Sir.
When has the daughter of my security man become my personal doctor?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Good. And I want you to walk out of that door you came in from. Get out. Wait. When next you want to come into this place, make sure you knock.
Baby, don't forget to give me the money you promised me before leaving the house.
What?
I said you shouldn't forget to give me the money before leaving.
Is that your greeting or what?
Baby, I greeted you.
You greeted me and I did not hear it.
Not now. That was before you went to ease yourself. I mean, we're not just waking up. I've greeted you.
This was the same thing you said yesterday. All I could get from you was money, 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 money. What is your problem? Eh?
Baby, I didn't mean to upset you. But I need money. You promised to give me money. Please.
I don't have any money to give to you.
Baby, what did you just say? No, baby, you can't say that now. That's
you
not
heard
cool.
me.
Baby, that's...
I don't have any money to give to
baby,
you.
but why would you tell me you don't have money to give to me? Remember, you promised to take care of me. I'm supposed to travel to Dubai. I'm supposed to get my first class ticket. And you promised to get me a car. Why are you doing this? You've been making love to me ever since I came.
Money. Please.
Baby, stop now. Hey, you've been doing whatever you want with me. You've been making love with me and I have never complained. Now it's time for you to make me happy.
Allow me now, eh? Baby. I want to rest, please.
Oh, sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Maybe I can give you a massage. Baby, I'm sorry now. I can give you a massage, please. I don't understand. What's going on? I need to get my car. I need to travel to Dubai. Baby!
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
I want to say a very big thank you for the food. It was nice.
You're welcome, sir. Anytime.
Yeah, and how about your father?
Well, he's not back from the village yet.
Okay. These are my clothes. Why are you washing them with your hand instead of the machine?
Sir, I love to wash. It's a hobby. Besides, I'm not very used to the washing machine. I love to wash a lot. My auntie Vero, she can testify to that. I normally wash her clothes a lot.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Don't worry, I'll be through very soon.
Alright, see you.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Have you eaten something today?
Not yet, but soon.
Alright. I left some money on the table. Make do with it. Go to the market. Get anything of your choice. You free go into the kitchen and make anything you want to eat.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Alright, well, please help me with it.
Sir, you called me?
Yeah, I did. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Alright, take that knife. Open it.
Clothes.
Yeah. Take it. I mean, look at it.
Sir, is it for me?
Yes, it's for you. Do you like the color?
Thank you very much, sir. It's very beautiful. I like it.
I wanted to get you some sandals and shoes, but I do not know your size.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
It's alright. This your hair. I don't understand. It's terrible. So, there's this salon down the street. Go there, fix yourself up.
Hey. It's too much.
Come on, take it. Take it.
Okay. Just to fix my hair?
Yeah.
See, don't worry, this one will be enough. 2,000 naira is okay. Hold this one.
Okay, use the remaining to get yourself something to wear. Maybe a shoe, sandal, whatever.
Hi. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. And one more thing. I want you to look very beautiful this evening because I want to take you out for dinner.
Dinner? You and I?
Let's go out and see what the world has for us.
Oga. Hey.
It's like a dream to me.
Give me a glass of
It's like a dream to me.
Come on, babe, sit down. Sit. So, did you enjoy your outing? Like, did you enjoy the food?
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
What's there in my shoes?
Nina! Nina!
I'm here, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Please come and sit down.
I'm okay here.
Look, Nina, I know you're not happy with me. You're mad at me. I'm sorry for trying to kiss you yesterday. It will never happen again.
I want to go.
Come on, it hasn't gotten to that. You want to go where?
I want to go to the village and meet my father.
Come on. I just said I'm sorry.
I know, but I still want to go. I don't want to remain here and fall into any temptation. I want to go.
You really want to go?
Yes.
Very well then. I believe this will cover for your transport. Say me well to your father. You're still here.
I want to cook for you before I go.
I'm not hungry.
You'll eat it later. Sir, I came to tell you that I'm done with the food. Your food is at the dining downstairs.
Excuse me. Please. Sit down. Go ahead. Sit. Can I ask you for a favor?
What is it?
Close your eyes. Just close your eyes for 1 minute. Thank you. Don't open. Don't open. Now you may open. Please, Nina.
Hey, Oga.
Marry me.
Hey.
Please.
Oga, please now, don't do this to me. You know we are not in the same class. I can't. Please, I can't.
Hey, babe. Please. Marry me and share my class with me. Marry me so that we can be in the same class. Marry me and own my class. You deserve better, baby. Thank you.
It's like a dream to me. It's like a dream to me.
I did all I did because I wanted to know who is who really deserves a space in my heart.
Okay, wait though. You mean to tell me that your goods were never hijacked?
My goods were never hijacked. As a matter of fact, I made a lot of sales from that business. As I speak to you, I am twice richer.
Thank God though, because at some point I was really worried about you.
You don't need to worry about me. I know who is who. I know the fake people in my life, and I know that you are real.
Thank you, sir.
Come on. Come here. Look at me.
Nana!
Papa, I want to formally inform you that I'll be coming to your place next week for the proper traditional rites. And to also let you know that you will no longer walk at my gate as my security man. Yes, I have gotten you an apartment in town and also an office. Henceforth, you will become my major distributor.
Oh, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. God bless you. I'm short of words. All the same. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Papa. Let me quickly get you something to eat. I know you just arrived.
Please do.
Alright. So, Papa, how are the people in the village?
Oh, my journey was good. I feel everybody's fine.
It's like a dream to me. It's like a dream to me. If had I known I could have stayed in one place. Now I've lost everything on my side. Oh, because of things of the world. Because of things of the world.
Hi. That's normal. Yeah, how are you? Please, I need some skirts and shirts.
Sorry, are you not the gate man's daughter?
Was, actually. So if you have them, just bring them out. I want to choose the ones I want.
Sure.
Yeah. Nice ones, please.
Hey, babe, what's up? So have you selected the clothes you want?
She was going to help me do that, but she just suddenly ran off. I don't know what the problem is. Yummy.
It's like a dream to me. It's like a dream to me. If had I known I could have stayed in one place. Now I've lost everything on my side. Oh,
Belly, now maybe this. Maybe this. To feed is even very difficult for me now. House rent. What do I do?
I missed you. It's me, Belly.
Belly?
Yes.
Belly, what happened to you? Why are you looking like this?
It's a long story. I don't want to talk about it. But I'm happy to see you. Really, I missed us together.
So, hello, babe. That's my wife.
Hi.
You done?
Yeah. Okay.